marinated chicken recipe. First put oil. After that, onion, garlic, ginger. Then added the marinated chicken. Added salt, turmeric powder, and also pieces of potatoes. Cover it and cook it. Potato cooked well, so separate it now. I also added well fried onion, red chilies, 2 red chili and 2 raw chili, green chili sauce, mix it, soya sauce, mix it, now I am adding your first tomato sauce, mixing it nicely. All ingredients nearly cooked. Chicken spice, add the potatoes, red chili powder, little bit, keep mixing. Now hot spice. You can add your butter also. My recipe got ready. Delicious chicken got ready. It got ready for serving. Lastly, few pieces of capsicum. It is cooking. We will cover it. Make it a little bit dry. Bye for today. Please do try at your home.